2023 is already shaping up to be a great year of new watch releases with a new line of Seiko Prospex watches. Here we have the Seiko Prospex Seascape solar powered GMT model number SFK003J. This one is in the sumo style and is the very first solar powered Seiko to feature a GMT hand. On this model we get a lovely green color palette, which reminds me of the green hues you can find in the ocean. Even the textured dial looks like a bunch of waves off in the distance. I'm loving how the bright orange GMT hand pops over the relatively dark colored dial, and the GMT logo is there to match. A two-tone insert dial offers a lighter green color, which works well to break up the color palette in there. I'm really coming around to the sumo style of Seikos. The thick hands create a good sense of strength, and the case shape does the same. It's almost in between a turtle and a samurai, and I quite like that. If you didn't know, the word Prospex is actually a combination between the two words professional and specifications. These were absolutely designed for professional dive use, so a 200 meter water resistance is ensured by a screw down crown. A scratch resistant sapphire glass is included with anti-reflective coating, and some really strong Lumibrite covers the hands, markers and the pearl at 12. These are pretty big watches with a diameter of 45mm and a thickness of 13.1mm. Before going any further, let's look at the companion to this watch in the SFK001J, the blue version of the same watch. Now, just calling this a blue watch is a bit of an understatement because just plain blue isn't really found on here. Around the matte bezel is more of a lavender color, and the dial takes on a shimmering bright blue tone that jumps between that same lavender color and a really bright turquoise. Get this one in the sun and it is beautiful. The dial is absolutely lovely if you ask me, and that two-tone part looks amazing. With the solid power movement in there, you can get up to 9 months of power reserve thanks to the 5K 65 caliber. There's a handy date window sitting at 3, and no Cyclops sits above them, which I prefer. So now that we're all familiar with the newest release from the Seiko Prospex line, what do we think of them? Would you buy one or would you wear them? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you'd like to buy one, just click the link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video if you liked it and subscribe for more watch content.